Welcome to Greenwood Village, the best located new townhomes in Canonsburg. Hi, my name is Allison, and I'm excited to show you around. The main level offers an open layout, great for entertaining, and the kitchen is a dream, complete with a large island, upgraded cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. Upstairs, you'll love the spacious owner suite and 2 additional bedrooms for the kids, guests, or an office space. Downstairs, you'll have a 2-car garage and an optional rec room, perfect for game day or a kids' play area. Choose to add a deck off the back of the home to extend your space outdoors. You'll also love the low-maintenance lifestyle that comes with townhome living at Greenwood Village. All of your yard maintenance will be done for you, giving you more time to enjoy the abundant shopping, dining, and entertainment options just moments from your front door in Canonsburg, Southpointe, and Bridgeville. All of your favorite big box stores are less than 7 miles away at Strabane Square and Trinity Point. Greenwood Village has the quickest access to I-79, Route 19, and Southpointe. The community is also located in the Cannon-McMillan School District in North Strabane Township. If you're unsure what you can afford or if you have enough of a down payment, our mortgage experts can help you learn everything you need to know about financing and buying a home. Let us help you make the dream of owning a new home a reality. Schedule a visit today. We can't wait to meet you.